Good morning students, I am Jubaira Maulvi. In this video, we will discuss about atmospheric pressure. Let us start. So, what do you mean by atmosphere? The layer of air around us is known as atmosphere. The layer of air around us is known as atmosphere. It exerts too many kilometers above the earth. Atmosphere is present too many kilometers above the earth. So, what are the importance? See here, what is atmospheric pressure now? It is the air pressure exerted due to the weight of air present in the atmosphere. For example, just here, what do you mean by atmospheric? It means air, pressure means pressure. It is force acting per area. Next one, that is explanation. What is the explanation about atmosphere? We know that the layer of air around us is known as atmosphere. It exerted too many kilometers above the earth and contains many gases like oxygen, nitrogen, etc. are present in the atmosphere. All those gases have weight and they have exert pressure on all directions is known as atmospheric pressure. Next, some important points about atmosphere. Our atmosphere is is made up of different types of gases. Since gases exerted pressure, thus the pressure exerted by gas present in atmosphere is called atmospheric pressure. Second point, the weight of the air in a column. How much? That is 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter is large as 1000 kgs. The reason we are not crashes under this weight. In this pressure, inside our body is also equal to the atmospheric pressure and cancelled the pressure from outside. Okay, next one, that is a pressure rubber sucker on plane surface does not come off because of atmospheric pressure. For example, let us take some example. That is, first example is rubber sucker. What do you mean by rubber sucker? See, what is the, it is the diagram of rubber sucker. When we suck a rubber, suck on a plane surface. This plane surface, this one is plane surface, flat surface. This one is atmospheric pressure and this is rubber suck. Rubber suck. When we try to pull it, does not come off easily. Because when we suck the rubber, sucker most of air present, that is most of air between sucker and the surface escapes out. Hence there is a less air from inside. Sucker keeps on sinking because of atmospheric pressure exerted by outside. To remove the suckers, we have to use force larger than atmospheric pressure. Just you have to observe this diagram. Air at low pressure and it is atmospheric pressure and this one is flat surface. So this is the first example, that is about rubber sucker. Let us move second example to better understanding. What do you mean by atmospheric pressure? Second one example is, that is drinking straw. As you know about the straw and where we use the straws. When straw is put in water, just you have to put in water and air is struck out from other end. It causes pressure inside the straw to reduce. However, there is atmospheric pressure on surface of water. This force water to come out from the straw. Just observe this diagram. That is, here liquid is there. It is in the form water and drinking straw. This one is straw. And next, here atmospheric pressure is there and atmospheric pressure is reduced here. So it is a best example for atmospheric pressure. One more example, that is syringe. It is in the nostril and piston. When syringe is dipped in water and pastron withdrawn, pressure inside the syringe is lowered. However, there is atmospheric pressure on surface of liquid. It forces liquid inside the syringe. So observe here, there is your syringe, this one is syringe and this is liquid and this one is nozzle and this is syringe, piston and air reduced here, air pressure here. So this is the best example for atmospheric pressure. And next example, that is dropper. Syringe and dropper both are same. How? Just see here, it is also a nozzle and rubber bulb. When bulb is pressed, just you have to see here, a rubber bulb. When rubber bulb is pressed, air present in tube and bulb escapes in the form of bubbles. Due to this pressure inside the bubble decrease. However, there is atmospheric pressure. It is atmospheric pressure surface of liquid. And when we realize the bulb, the water moves inside the tube. This method is also same as syringe. Okay, next example is holding water in inverted glass tumbler. Observe this diagram, that is how we holding water inside the glass tumbler. Inside the glass there is a water is there and this is a card. We fill a tumbler fully with water. Just first step is you have to fill it with water. Put at a card, cover it. It's such a way that there is a no air glass tumbler. If we inverted water, that is card does not fall. This is due to the atmospheric pressure exerted by the below. So this is also best example for atmospheric pressure. Next, is atmospheric pressure same as in all over the earth? So what's your question? Is atmospheric pressure same all over the earth? Let us see. First, that is, it is the less in mountains and higher on sea level. Why? Because since mountains are high, there is a less column of air above in the atmosphere. So there is a less weight of air and less atmospheric pressure. And next, in the sea level, there is a large column of area above and which has higher weight, hence there is air pressure. So hence higher air pressure. For example, just you have to see here, there is a high altitude in the hill. High altitude, but the pressure is low. In the sea level, low altitudes is there, but the pressure is high. How it is possible? Let us see one more example. This is your example. See here. See this diagram. See this one. 4 men are there, and in the now here there is a lots of weight on me, means 3 members are there. I feel high pressure, and in the topper man told, up here I have little weight on me, I feel low pressure. That's why in the high altitudes low pressure is there, and in the low altitude high pressure is there. Is it clear? Okay, next let us move. It is the atmospheric pressure in exerted from all sides. people, that is many people, believe that since atmospheric exerted above us, it exert atmospheric pressure only from upside, but it is not in the case. Actually, air pressure is exerted from all sides. It is not only in one side, it is in all directions that have pressure is exerted from all sides. Next one, that is atmospheric pressure and boiling. The pressure of gas above a liquid affects the boiling point. It affects the boiling point. This is known as atmospheric pressure. The greater the pressure, the more the energy. The greater the pressure, the more the energy required for the liquid to boil, and the higher the boiling point. The boiling point, the higher the boiling point, then higher pressure is equal to more energy required to boiling. Then boiling is equal to higher boiling point. This can be visualized as air molecules collide with the surface of liquid and creating pressure. This pressure is terminated throughout the liquid. It makes more difficult to bubbles to form and for boiling to take place. If the pressure is reduced, the liquid requires less energy to change the gaseous phases. But boiling occurs at a lower temperature. So this is the best example for atmospheric pressure. Pressure cooker is also an example for atmospheric pressure. Clear? Next, pressure depends on depth, not shapes. Just you have to observe these diagrams. All the containers are the same height. Therefore, the pressure at the bottom of each is the same. The shape and the matter not. Why we talking about the pressure inside the fluid, not the pressure exerted by container on the table, which should greater for a cylindrical than a cone of the same height and a base. So this is about pressure depends on depth, not in shape. This is all about how atmospheric pressure. Okay, in this video we will already learned about atmospheric pressures and some experiments regarding the atmospheric pressure. Okay, thank you dear, take care, bye bye.